In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Mailchimp. We're going to use Zapier to build a simple automation that takes emails from Gmail and sends the right people into your Mailchimp audience. This is great for capturing leads, organizing inquiries, or keeping your contact list updated without manual copying and pasting. First, open Zapier in your browser and make sure you're signed in. From your dashboard, you'll create a quick workflow. Zapier calls this a zap that links Gmail to Mailchimp so they can talk to each other automatically. Next, choose Gmail and Mailchimp as the two apps you want to connect. Gmail will be the trigger app, and Mailchimp will be the action app. Think of the trigger as the event that starts everything, and the action as what you want to happen in response. Now set your trigger. You can choose new email in Gmail if you want every incoming message to kick off the workflow, or choose new labeled email to only act on messages you label, like leads or newsletter signups. Using a label gives you more control, since you can label just the messages that matter. Pick the option that fits your workflow best. With the trigger in place, set your first action. Add subscriber to Mailchimp list. In Mailchimp, this is your audience. Choose the audience you want to grow, then map the email address field to the sender's email from the Gmail trigger. You can also map optional fields such as first name or last name if that information appears in the email. Consider adding tags like Gmail import or a campaign label to keep your list organized. And remember to only add people who've given you permission, following your compliance and consent requirements. Add a second action to update the contact. This ensures that if a person already exists in your audience, their details are refreshed instead of creating a duplicate. Map any fields you want to keep current, such as names, tags, or custom fields. This step helps maintain a clean, accurate audience. When prompted, connect your accounts. Sign into Gmail and grant Zapier access so it can read the relevant emails or labeled messages. Then sign into Mailchimp, authorize the connection, and choose the correct audience. Zapier uses these secure connections to move data between your tools. Finally, turn your Zap on. Once it's active, new emails that meet your trigger will automatically create or update contacts in Mailchimp. That's it. Your Gmail to Mailchimp connection is live and working for you in the background.